What's up, guys? I just thought I'd share a little more of the fun I have in my life. I used to drive pro Demolition Derby, and now I crew on my friend's car. I help him build his cars, and when I can, I cart them around for him. So I'm just going to show you a few minutes of the Norfolk County Fair Bill Williams Championship Pro Stock Demolition Derby that happened on Monday night just past. It's not a full video, just a couple minutes worth, but for anybody who's never really gotten into Demo Derby, it's sort of a taste for you. It's always fun and exciting. Okay, so here we go.